Are you looking for the best Android TV box to transform your TV into a powerful smart entertainment hub? Choosing the right device can be challenging because some TV boxes suffer from slow performance, limited storage, poor streaming quality, or outdated software. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 5 best Android TV boxes that offer fast performance, smooth 4K streaming, powerful processors, and excellent value for money. We'll compare their speed, picture quality, storage, connectivity, smart features, and overall performance to help you find the perfect device for your home entertainment setup. Whether you love streaming movies, watching live TV, gaming, or using your favorite apps, these Android TV boxes are designed to deliver a faster, smoother, and more enjoyable viewing experience. Check the links in the description for the latest prices and buying options. So stay tuned and watch until the end to find the perfect Android TV box for your needs. Number 1. Roku Streaming Stick HD. The Roku Streaming Stick HD is an affordable and easy-to-use streaming device that brings your favorite entertainment to any TV. Supporting 1080p HD streaming, it offers access to popular services like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, Apple TV+, and over 500 free live TV channels through the Roku platform. Its compact stick design plugs directly into an HDMI port and is powered by your TV, eliminating the need for a separate power adapter in most setups. The included Roku voice remote lets you control your TV's power, volume, and streaming device while using voice commands to search for movies, shows, and apps. Setup is quick and beginner-friendly. Simply connect to Wi-Fi, sign into your streaming services, and start watching. The portable design also makes it a great travel companion, allowing you to enjoy your favorite content away from home. Pros: crisp 1080p HD streaming. Compact design won't block nearby HDMI ports. Powered directly from the TV. Roku voice remote with TV controls. Access to all major streaming apps. 500+ free live TV channels. Fast, simple setup. Works with Alexa, Google Home, Apple AirPlay, and HomeKit. Cons: limited to 1080p, no 4K support. Requires a stable Wi-Fi connection. Some streaming services require paid subscriptions. Final verdict: the Roku Streaming Stick HD is an excellent streaming device for anyone who wants an affordable, reliable, and user-friendly way to stream HD content. With its voice remote, broad app support, free live TV channels, and compact travel-friendly design, it's one of the best budget streaming sticks for everyday entertainment. Number 2. NVIDIA SHIELD TV Pro. The NVIDIA SHIELD TV Pro is one of the most powerful streaming media players available, combining 4K HDR streaming, AI-powered upscaling, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, and Android TV in a premium package. Powered by the NVIDIA Tegra X1 Plus processor, it delivers fast performance for streaming, gaming, and media playback. It supports 4K HDR with AI-enhanced upscaling, making HD content appear sharper and more detailed on 4K TVs. With 3 GB of RAM, 16 GB of storage, and dual USB 3.0 ports, it also functions as a Plex media server and supports external storage, controllers, keyboards, and other accessories. The SHIELD TV Pro gives access to popular streaming services like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, Hulu, and thousands of Android TV apps. It also supports GeForce Now cloud gaming, built-in Chromecast 4K, Alexa, and Google Assistant for a complete smart home entertainment experience. Pros: powerful NVIDIA Tegra X1 Plus processor, AI-powered 4K upscaling, Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support, 3 GB of RAM and 16 GB of storage, dual USB 3.0 ports for expansion, built-in Plex media server, supports GeForce Now cloud gaming, fast gigabit Ethernet and dual-band Wi-Fi, voice remote with backlit buttons. Cons: more expensive than most streaming devices. Storage may be limited for large game libraries. Game controllers sold separately. Final verdict: the NVIDIA SHIELD TV Pro is the best choice for users who want more than basic streaming. Its excellent performance, AI 4K upscaling, Dolby Vision, gaming support, and expandable storage make it ideal for home theater enthusiasts, Plex users, and gamers looking for a premium streaming device. Number 3. On Android TV 4K UHD streaming device. The Android TV 4K UHD streaming device is an affordable streaming player that delivers 4K Ultra HD streaming, Android TV, Google Assistant, and Chromecast built in. It's a great choice for users who want access to thousands of streaming apps without spending a premium price. Powered by Android TV, the device provides access to popular streaming services through the Google Play Store, including Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, Disney+, Hulu, and more. The included voice remote with Google Assistant allows you to search for content, control playback, and manage smart home devices using voice commands. Supporting 4K UHD, the device delivers sharp picture quality, while Chromecast built-in makes it easy to cast movies, photos, and videos directly from your Android or iPhone. Setup is quick with the included high-speed HDMI cable, making it ready to use within minutes. Pros: 4K Ultra HD streaming support, Android TV with Google Play Store access, Google Assistant voice remote included, Chromecast built-in for easy casting, quick and simple setup, HDMI cable included in the box, supports thousands of streaming apps, excellent value for the price. Cons: only 8 GB internal storage, performance is slower than premium streaming devices, limited RAM for heavy multitasking. Final verdict: the Android TV 4K UHD streaming device is an excellent budget-friendly streaming player for anyone looking to upgrade a TV with 4K streaming, Android TV, Google Assistant, and Chromecast support. While it isn't as fast as premium devices, its impressive features and great value for everyday streaming. Number 4. TiVo Stream 4K. The TiVo Stream 4K is a compact Android TV streaming device that combines 4K UHD streaming, Dolby Vision HDR, Dolby Atmos audio, and Google Assistant into one affordable package. Its biggest advantage is the TiVo interface, which lets you search, browse, and manage content from multiple streaming services on a single screen. Powered by Android TV, the device supports popular streaming apps like Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Peacock, HBO Max, Sling, and thousands more through the Google Play Store. The built-in Google Assistant allows you to search for content, launch apps, and manage compatible smart home devices using voice commands. With support for 4K HDR, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos, the TiVo Stream 4K delivers impressive picture and sound quality. It also provides personalized recommendations across multiple streaming platforms, reducing the need to switch between apps. Pros: 4K Ultra HD, Dolby Vision, and Dolby Atmos support, Android TV with Google Play Store access, unified interface across multiple streaming apps, personalized content recommendations, Google Assistant voice control, Chromecast built-in, compact travel-friendly design, excellent value for the price. Cons: only 8 GB internal storage, 2 GB of RAM limits heavy multitasking. Interface may feel slower than premium streamers. Final verdict: the TiVo Stream 4K is an excellent budget streaming device for users who want 4K HDR streaming, Android TV, voice control, and a unified content experience. While it isn't as fast as premium streaming players, its smart interface, strong media support, and affordable price make it a great choice for everyday streaming. Number 5. Xiaomi TV Box S Gen 3. The Xiaomi TV Box S Gen 3 is a compact 4K streaming device that combines Google TV, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, Wi-Fi 6, and voice control for a smooth home entertainment experience. Designed for modern TVs, the box provides fast access to popular streaming apps and high-quality 4K playback. Powered by a 6nm processor, the TV Box S delivers responsive performance for streaming, app navigation, and everyday use. It supports 4K UHD resolution, Dolby Vision HDR, Dolby Atmos, and DTS, offering impressive picture quality and immersive sound for movies and TV shows. Running on Google TV, the device gives you access to thousands of apps through the Google Play Store, including Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, Prime Video, and more. The included Bluetooth voice remote with Google Assistant lets you search content, control playback, and manage compatible smart home devices using voice commands. Pros: 4K UHD with Dolby Vision support, Dolby Atmos and DTS audio, fast 6nm processor, Google TV with Google Play Store, Wi-Fi 6 for faster wireless streaming, Bluetooth voice remote with Google Assistant, compact and easy to set up, smooth and user-friendly interface. Cons: only 2 GB of RAM and 8 GB of storage, limited internal storage for additional apps, no Ethernet port for wired internet. Final verdict: the Xiaomi TV Box S Gen 3 is an excellent 4K streaming device for users who want 4K streaming, Google TV, Dolby Vision, Wi-Fi 6, and voice control at an affordable price. While the storage is limited, its fast performance, strong media support, and easy-to-use interface make it a great choice for everyday streaming.